Atharvaveda, unveiling the esoteric wisdom of ancient Indian texts. Welcome to our exploration of the Atharvaveda, one of the sacred texts of Sanatan Dharma, Hinduism. The Atharvaveda stands apart from the other three Vedas, offering a unique perspective on various aspects of life, including healing, rituals, and spirituality. In this comprehensive article, we will delve into the origins, structure, content, and significance of the Atharvaveda. Join us as we unravel the esoteric verses that contain ancient wisdom and practical knowledge, guiding individuals towards a balanced and harmonious existence. Origins and compilation. The Atharvaveda, believed to be composed between 1200 and 900 BCE, derives its name from the sage Atharvan. Unlike the other Vedas, it emerged from a different priestly lineage and encompasses a diverse range of subjects. The compilation of the Atharvaveda involved the collection and arrangement of hymns by various sages over time. Structure and organization. The Atharvaveda consists of 20 books, known as Kandas, which are further divided into hymns and verses. It contains around 730 hymns, encompassing a wide range of topics such as healing, magical incantations, rituals, astrology, cosmology, and ethical principles. The structure of the Atharvaveda reflects its multifaceted nature and its emphasis on practical applications. Healing and medicinal knowledge. One of the distinguishing features of the Atharvaveda is its emphasis on healing and medicinal knowledge. It contains a wealth of information on herbal remedies, magical charms, and incantations for the treatment of diseases and ailments. The Veda recognizes the connection between physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, providing guidance on maintaining a balanced and healthy life. Magical and protective incantations. The Atharvaveda includes a significant number of hymns and incantations aimed at providing protection, warding off evil forces, and ensuring success in various endeavors. These verses serve as a means of harnessing positive energies and dispelling negative influences. They reflect the belief in the interplay of cosmic forces and the power of spiritual invocations. Ethical principles and social values. While the Atharvaveda is known for its mystical and ritualistic aspects, it also contains valuable teachings on ethics and social values. It emphasizes the importance of truth, integrity, compassion, and harmonious coexistence. The Veda recognizes the interdependence of individuals and advocates for justice, fairness, and the welfare of society. Rituals and ceremonies. The Atharvaveda provides guidance on various rituals and ceremonies, including rites of passage, marriage rituals, and funeral rites. These rituals serve as transformative experiences, fostering a sense of spiritual connection and personal growth. The Veda highlights the significance of performing rituals with devotion, intention, and understanding, thereby deepening the spiritual experience. Spiritual insights and cosmic understanding. The Atharvaveda offers profound spiritual insights into the nature of the universe, the relationship between humans and deities, and the eternal quest for self-realization. It contemplates the mysteries of life, death, and the afterlife, encouraging individuals to seek spiritual enlightenment and transcendence. The Veda emphasizes the interconnectedness of all beings and the inherent divinity within each individual. Influence and relevance. The Atharvaveda has had a significant influence on various aspects of Indian culture, including Ayurveda, traditional Indian medicine, folk practices, and mystical traditions. Its teachings have permeated the fabric of society, influencing the way individuals approach healing, spirituality, and daily life. The Vedas' practical wisdom and ethical principles continue to guide individuals in leading balanced, harmonious lives. Conclusion. The Atharvaveda stands as a testament to the rich tapestry of ancient Indian wisdom. Its esoteric verses offer a holistic approach to life, encompassing healing, rituals, ethical values, and spiritual insights. Exploring the Atharva Veda allows us to tap into the practical knowledge and mystical wisdom that has been passed down through the ages. Let us embrace the teachings of the Atharva Veda and incorporate its principles into our lives, striving for balance, well-being, and spiritual growth.